Today I am doing an unboxing of the Vivitar Deluxe Power Grip for my new Sony A6000. We'll see how it looks and how it fits. It's supposed to be for the camera, so it better work. Alright, here's the box. It is a Vivitar Deluxe Power Grip for the Sony A6000. Let's open it up and see what's inside. It actually shows there. Alright, open it from the bottom. And what do we have? Looks like the Vivitar series manual. Okay. And inside we have, okay, that's the grip itself. And I think, oops, yep, there's a few other things in here. So I can get the box to stay open. It looks like just your cable and a little wireless remote thing. Yeah, I pretty much won't use any of those. But let's see how it looks. This is very important. This is the part that goes into your battery compartment to make the connection. And voila! This is your Vivitar battery grip. It is made out of mostly plastic, but it's pretty sturdy. It's got a good feel to it. I think it'll complement it nicely and didn't have to spend a fortune for one. Alright, so let's see here. We are going to pause for a second and get the camera out and see if it fits. Alright, so here we have the camera. I got it back out. There's the Sony A6000. There's the battery grip and your little connector. So we got to put it all together and hopefully it all works. So the battery compartment is on the bottom side. There we go. This is also where your card will go. So this little piece right here is the piece that actually has to go into your battery compartment. It's different than a lot of battery grips, and you don't have to take the door off on this one, which is what I learned from watching some videos. But let's see if I can get this in here. Hold on one second. Okay, so it's slid in there, and push it till you hear it click. Make sure this piece is out and the little rubber piece right here is up, and then you lock it in. So far so good. Now we're going to attach the bottom and see if it fits. Alright, I obviously had to use both hands to attach that, but it actually slides on quite nicely, tightened up, and it looks really good. It makes it feel much better in the hand for shooting. We'll do a review later.